Here we're looking at an LG 3-door French door fridge. Model number is LFX31935ST. It's 36 inches wide, 31 cubic foot capacity. So some of the main features are the ice maker has cube and crushed ice. It also has a blast chiller inside, which will chill your bottle or your cans in under 5 minutes. The blast chiller down there. It also has the fresh filter multi airflow, some space ice system with storage on the left and more storage on the right. 3-drawer system for fruits and vegetables, and they still have the glide and serve drawer there. In the freezer we have the deep basket in the bottom, the flat slide out there, and the pull-out drawer on the top. And that's how this one's put together.